Honey, can you put up that picture?
Okay.
Honey, can you put up the shelves right there?
Okay.
Honey, can you wash the dog?
Okay. Put this picture up. Okay, let's hang up this shelf. Good. Alright, Muffin, it's time to bathe you. Let's go outside so I can take you a bath. Okay, that's done. Now I can finally sit down and watch some TV. Oh, great. I wonder what that is. Someone's at the door. Let's go see what that is. What's this?
A package?
Oh, it's from COVERKING. These are the 944 seats that I ordered. These are the 944 seats I ordered. Let's make an unboxing video. Alright, this is the unboxing of the COVERKING seat covers for my 1987 944. When I first saw these covers, I wanted to see more reviews of how they actually looked, because they come custom made for your car. And a lot of times it said airbag holes were put in with some flaps. So if your seats had airbags, these covers would have a flap. And I didn't want a flap because I don't have airbags on my seats. So I'm trying to give you a good review of what actually you're going to get. So it comes with this installation kit with some safety glasses. I don't know why you would need safety glasses to put on seat covers, but anyway. And those are they're like a grip padding for each seat. You put that down so when you put the seat cover over the seat where you sit on, it doesn't slide around. And that's an installation tool that it comes with. Supposedly it'll help you push in those straps. And it comes with this glove, which I think is to protect your hand when you're trying to shove in the cover in between the seat and plastic and underneath. because there's a lot of sharp edges under seats. You could scratch your hand, so I think that's what the glove is there to protect you. This book has a lot of information on their other products. It has covers for the car, dash covers, all these other seats for Toyota, Dodge. They all come custom made for each car, and it has instructions on how to put the seat covers on your seat. The actual box is pretty light. I thought it would be more heavy, but it's very light. Let me put this back in this bag, and I'll show you the actual seat covers. Very light. The leather is it's actually vinyl. They call it leatherette. It feels just like leather, but it's supposedly stronger, more durable. It's not water resistant, but it is. You know, when you pour water on it, it doesn't soak through. So that's the back of the seat. Now this is actually the actual seat cover that you're going to sit on. I like the black and red. It looks good, like it'll fit the car scheme that I'm going for. So that was the back. And this is the other seat cover. Has little pockets in the back, like for maps or magazines or whatever you want to put in the back. That little slit there, it's for 944 guys that have this. We all have those little levers to make the seat go forward and back, so those cutouts are already there. So far I'm impressed with the feel and the packaging. There's the map pockets. This is the other back of the seats. So hopefully this helps you when you're trying to look for seat covers from COVERKING. Trying to give you a good view of what you actually get. These are what they call a 50-50 for bucket seats. Comes custom made for your car. And next video I make will be me putting them on the car, and I'll show you that and let you know how easy or hard that is. So if anyone has any questions, you can just ask me a question, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.